Hey everybody! Today I got you some most important days of the year. That means the explanation of those days. In my previous lectures of the same series, we have discussed each month in detail. I have told you about the important days of each of the month separately. And in this video, we are going to discuss the most important of all those days. Before beginning with the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. First is January 9th. This is the most asked questions in your examinations. If you are preparing for CLAT, banking, SSC, this question is going to be there. 99.99%. You will get this question. NRI Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Day. I have explained this day in my previous videos also. This day commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to Mumbai on 9th of January 1950. So remember, 9th of January is NRI Day because Mahatma Gandhi returns to India from South Africa. You might be asked in this way that from where did Mahatma Gandhi return? In which year did Mahatma Gandhi return? So these are the questions with a little twist. 15th of January, National Army Day. Remember the name of the person, General M. Kariappa, who took over as the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army in 1949. These information with the days is very important, it's very significant because it's not always that you will be asked a direct questions. There are times when the examiner asks you a twisted question. So you must be prepared for all the things. 25th of January, it's the National Voters Day. Just remember it. 26th of January, the Republic Day of India. Just before a day, the Republic Day, we celebrate National Voters Day so that people get to know how much valuable their vote is. So this day is to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process. 2nd of February, the World Wetlands Day. 28th February, National Science Day. I'm sure you all must be celebrating this day in your school times. The National Science Day. This is the day when our school used to organize some science fairs in our school and the students used to make science projects. 16th of May is the National Vaccination Day. Vaccine, something which we really need at these times. So, because this is the time during which we are discussing about vaccines a lot. So now this day has also become important. So National Vaccination Day is on 16th of March. This is the day when first polio vaccine was invented. On 16th March 1995. 18th of April, World Heritage Day. We make people aware on how to conserve their heritage and to value it. 21st of April is the Civil Service Day. If you are preparing for, let's say, UPSC, RPSC, this is a definite question in your examination. If you are preparing for civil services, then you must also know when is the Civil Service Day. So it is on 21st of April. 22nd April is the birthday of the Mother Earth, World Earth Day. A very basic question. See, every examination has 3 categories of questions. First is easy category, the ones which are set up for all the contestants who are participating in the examination. So those questions can be solved by anybody. Then comes the moderate level. It is for the average students. That means 75% of the students can attempt those questions. Then comes the third category, the difficult ones. These questions are the twisted questions. These are easy in their nature, just their language is a bit difficult. So all you need is to understand the language and to crack at least easy and moderate questions. So this World Earth Day is a very easy question, but often neglected because people make this question that this is very easy and cannot come into examination. But this question is worth coming in any of the examination. So remember, World Earth Day is on April 22nd. 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day. Press freedom is something which is very important in a democratic country. So remember the date, 3rd of May. 24th April, the National Panchayati Raj Day. It is celebrated from 2010. There was an amendment, 73rd amendment, by which this Panchayati Raj was added into the Indian Constitution. It is written in the part 9th of the Constitution and 11th schedule. If you are preparing for any examination related to Indian Constitution or law, for example, CLAT, DULLB, AILET, SLAT, and all these examinations, this is a must question. You will not be directly asked that when do we celebrate National Panchayati Raj Day. The answer will be 24th April, by the way. But the question could be like this: by which amendment does we introduce Panchayati Raj in India? Or in which schedule of the Indian Constitution Panchayati Raj is mentioned? So you must know at least a bit about whatever you are studying. So Panchayati Raj, it's mentioned in 11th schedule, part 9th of the Constitution, and was added by 73rd Amendment. International Day of UN Peacekeepers, 29th of May. 21st June, the day which is today, 21st June, is the International Day of Yoga. This day makes people aware about the benefits of yoga. 12th June is the World Day Against Child Labor. June 5th is the World Environment Day. 26th of July is the Kargil Vijay Divas. A very important question from the aspect of history. Kargil Memorial Day or Kargil Victory Day. 15th of September is the International Day of Democracy. Important question from political science. 16th September, the World Ozone Day. You must know the formula of ozone. It's O3. Oxygen is O2 and for ozone it is O3. October 1st, World Vegetarian Day, International Day of Older People, International Coffee Day. So coffee reminds me of CCD, Cafe Coffee Day. I have a question for you. You have to tell me the brand Cafe Coffee Day, CCD, belong to which Indian state? Firstly, it is an Indian brand and you have to tell me the state from which it belongs. Then comes 5th of October is the World Teachers Day. See, here comes the difficult spare wale questions. 5th of October is the World Teachers Day and not just Teachers Day, but 5th September is the National Teachers Day. वो सिर्फ हम इंडियंस बनाते हैं लेकिन 5th October पूरा वर्ल्ड सेलिब्रेट करता है. 8th of October, Indian Air Force Day. 11th October is the International Girl Child Day. I have a question for you. When do we celebrate National Girl Child's Day? I can give you a hint. This is the day which belongs to the month of January. Okay, you can watch my January video to get the answer of this question. 24th of October is the United Nations Day. A very, very, very important question. Okay, UN Day is asked in most of the examinations. And this is treated as an easy question. Also, the World Polio Day and World Development Information Day. But the most important on 24th October is The United Nations Day. 26th November, I think everybody knows this. Easiest question, Constitution Day or Law Day? Because this is the day when our Constitution was formed by the Constituent Assembly, and it took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to form the Constitution of India. 1st December, World AIDS Day. AIDS is a disease caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. It is a sexually transmitted disease. You can be asked questions about what causes AIDS. So firstly, it is a sexually transmitted disease. Secondly, it is caused by the virus called human immunodeficiency virus. 4th December is the Indian Navy Day. Remember these days: Indian Air Force Day, Army Day and Navy Day. These are very important. 9th of December is the International Anti-Corruption Day. 10th December, World Human Rights Day. 24th December is the National Consumer Rights Day. There is a National Consumer Rights Day and World Consumer Rights Day. World Consumer Rights Day is on 15th of March and National Consumer Rights Day is on 24th of December. I suggest कि आप लोग इसे differentiate करके पढ़ो. For example, if you are studying about the Consumer Rights Day, so National is celebrated on 24th of December and World is on 15th of March. 25th December, Good Governance Day. Political science का question है ये, very important question. Also easy question. And also 25th December is the Christmas Day. So these were the most important days in the year, which are quite important from your examination point of view. Whatever exam you're preparing for, CLAT, CAT, SNAP, CMAT, Hotel Management, Banking, SSC, UPSC, RPSC, any of the examination, all these days are must. If you like this video, do not forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you want to know about the important days of every month separately, I have made a series on this. The link is below in the description box. You can go and check it out. Also, to attempt questions, quizzes, or to get PDF of all these documents, all these matters, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is below in the description box. Thank you. Bye-bye.